Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Also, welcome to day number 4 of my 9 days of giveaways. I'm holding here an example of the boxes that I'm giving away for the next, for the 9 days, next 5 days. But so this is just an example. The products that the winner may receive could be different, but there are so many products in these boxes that I'm giving away. They're mostly all beauty products, a little bit of lifestyle, skincare, nails, all of that fun stuff that I hope that the winners will really enjoy. And I'm actually going to be trying out some products today that I'm also going to be throwing into these giveaways, which is why I'm only wearing eyeliner on one of my eyes, because I'm going to be trying out lashes, and I like to try false lashes on with and without eyeliner because I think that can make such a difference in how the lashes look on the eyes. But so if you want to enter my giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel here, follow me on Instagram at The Life of Christina, and leave a comment on this video of a way that I can contact you. And this giveaway is going to be open for 1 week from the day that I posted this video. And so let's get into today's product. So I'm going to be trying out false lashes from Estate Cosmetics. And I am so grateful to Estate Cosmetics because they've sent me a lot of great PR products. So I got 5 pairs of lashes here, and they're all so beautiful and all very different. And so I always give a disclaimer when products are sent to me for free. This is not a sponsored video, but I am so excited to put on some lashes. I feel like it's been a while since I've done that. And so Estate Cosmetics lashes, they're all synthetic fiber lashes, but they look super luxurious and high-end and real, but they're cruelty-free and vegan. You can get up to 20 uses from each pair of lashes, and they retail for about $14, which, considering all of that, that's a pretty fair price point in my opinion. But so let me show you some of the styles here. This one is called Boozy Brunch. I really like the look of these, very like wispy, fluttery. This next style here is called Rendezvous, more of a bold lash. These ones here are called Booty Call, and I really like these ones too. Very pretty. Almost a little natural, but still super glam. Okay, now these ones are called Azure, and these ones are so fun. There's like a hint of blue, so it's almost like a surprising touch of blue in these lashes, because you can see it's a mix of black and blue lashes, which I think is so fun. Even like for Halloween, this would be awesome to wear. And then these ones are called Prrr, and I really like these ones. These ones are a little bit more cat eye, so they get a little bit longer towards the end. So I think these are the ones I'm going to try on today. Ooh, also all of the lashes are handmade, which is very special. Okay, so these are fresh out of the package, so the first thing I'm going to do is size it to my eye and see if there's any that I need to trim off so that I can have that perfect fit. And this one has a bit of a band to it. Some of them have invisible bands. There's seriously like every style of lash I feel like you could want from Estate. Oh. Okay, yes, lucky me. I kind of remember this with Estate lashes. They come like the perfect size for my eye already. I don't actually have anything to trim off. Wow. Okay, so next step, I'm going to apply some lash glue. Here I'm going in with LA Colors lash adhesive. And so I'm going to give this a little bit to dry and get tacky, but you'll see I am no expert at popping on lashes, and I don't even use like tweezers or a lash applicator because that's even too tricky for me. I just go ahead and apply it with my fingers. But first I'm applying it to the eye without the eyeliner, and I just feel like, especially with a band like this, I would prefer to apply it on top of eyeliner, because then it can hide the band and just make it look a little bit more natural. Not that when I'm wearing false lashes I'm really going for the natural look, but I like it to look more undetectable, I guess. And with the bands, it can be a little bit trickier. Like you can see as I'm trying to apply it to one corner, the other corner pops up. They're just a little bit less flexible when there's that black band on the bottom. But okay, there we go. As the lash glue gets more sticky, it's easier to apply. Oh yeah, that does feel very secure actually. Even with this band, it's really securely on there and it already feels pretty comfortable. Sometimes it takes my eyes like a few minutes to get used to the feeling of the false lashes on, but that actually feels very comfortable. It's very lightweight. I'm loving how wispy and full and long these lashes are, and the dark black color, that is really pretty and glam. And this is the eye without the eyeliner, and I actually still think it looks pretty good. Like, I was able to get it right onto my natural lash line, and there's not really that visible separation that sometimes an eyeliner can help with. I'm very pleasantly surprised by how much I like the way this looks without eyeliner. And even with my bad lash applicating skills, these are actually pretty easy to apply. It's just getting over that initial like having the corners pop up, but it's easy to get it right onto the lash line, right into the position that I want, and it's pretty fast too to apply these. It's really not looking that much different with the eyeliner versus without it, in a good way. So here is how the lashes look on, and I mean, it of course does not look natural because I have these very bold lashes on, but they're very comfortable. I feel like very wearable when it comes to wearing false lashes. Like, they're flattering to the eyes. I love the cat shape because it doesn't drag my eye down as much as those other styles can that are all the same length. So I really like these. I feel like I could get into the habit of wearing these more often, and I love that I can do that with this exact pair, since you can get 20 uses. And if it was this easy to apply for my first use, this is very promising and still so comfortable and so secure on my eyes. Wow, I really like these, and so I hope that the 4 winners that get the lashes in their giveaway will really enjoy them too. And if you've tried any estate false lashes that you really like, let me know about those in the comments down below as well. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.